There's always something that needs a little fixing on Farpoint Farms.
Hey guys, it's Eric, owner of Farpoint Restorations. Tonight, this is a real short video, but I wanted to show these off. Just finished mounting and balancing these babies. These are real mud tires. You can see the tread on these beauties. And they're 13s for my Volkswagen truck. I have always wanted to put like AT tires, but these are even better. They're straight mud tires. And a set of these came available. There's a company that's making them apparently. They are size 165, 80, 13, so they're a little taller than a stock 13-inch tire, which is probably going to make it look a little cooler. And they fit the Rabbit just fine. They're LT tires too, 60 PSI. These are heavy-duty load range. I use my little Rabbit truck, and here's a picture of it here, for hauling. It's a work truck. I mean, it's a restored Rabbit, but it's a work truck. And so the idea of being able to haul heavier loads in the bed of the truck or to tow with it is really, really cool, especially since, you know, I do tow with it. I do stuff. I got rid of my bigger farm truck, but we still, you know, haul hay and feed and stuff. So super excited about these. They are Forceums MT08. And yeah, they're cool. They're not white leaded tires, but they may be the next time you see them. I'm not sure. I might put them on and test fit them and see how they play out. And if I like it and I want to make the white letter tires, which I'm kind of a white letter tire guy, you can always get the kit to paint that on there. But just look at the tread on these beauties, man. Yeah. So if you're into Volkswagen trucks, and you should be, you should definitely look into a set of these. They're on eBay. Shipped to the house, they were $300. And you can't get any tire for that kind of money these days. So a pretty cool deal. Anyway, till next time, my friends. Take care.